Hey guys, it's me, the Kim Newak, or guy that makes bad videos, or Sir Curve, whatever those numbers were. And today I'll be playing the Most Random Birds Part One, Mushy Forest, by one of my friends. This game is a remix of Angry Bird Scratch Against It All Part One, which is a remix of Angry Bird Scratch by CS. It's too many numbers, but Epic Burb, but on Scratch. But yeah, let's get to playing. Actually, wait, hold on. Let me read the story. Oh, good grief! The pigs have stolen the wind tokens. The plan this time: use mushroom disguises and try to fool the birds into thinking they're normal mushrooms. But that isn't fooling these birds. Journey into the mushy forest and retrieve the wind tokens from the pigs. Where will the pigs end up next? Will the birds get the wind tokens back? Why is Earl replaced with a random image? First two questions can be answered in the Most Random Birds. The game is inspired by Silly Bird. Third question. The answer to the third question. I don't know. Alright, let's play. Let me turn on my volume. Kinda hard playing on maybe. Okay. Oh my god, Charlie Brown. Oh my god, Creeper, Duolingo Bird, a Minion, Puff Shroom, Wind Token. Charlie Brown. Cool. I played it before, but I haven't seen what the Mighty Eagle is. Oh, fart. Oh, man. I know, a silly little trick. You pause the game, you go back, you get to or whatever he's replaced by. It works in every Angry Bird Scratch remix. This is my favorite one. Stick to the end of the video because you'll get to see sneak peeks of Silly Bird 3. Also, if you hear any background noises, it's just my parents watching some on the TV or a train. How did I not kill him? Alright. I don't know where she's from. How did I not kill Puff Shroom? Oh, my ear. Bruh, this game is lagging. There we go. Let's finish eating. Duolingo Bird. Yeah. Also, I was the one who suggested Duolingo Bird. Nobody take my credit. Yeah, stick to the end for some exclusive insight on Silly Birds 3. Do that. Oh my god, here's my phone. actually have one more. Skibidi Toilet. Dude, I actually unironically want to watch the Skibidi Toilet movie. Not even joking. Also, by the way, Ender, if you're watching this, how did I make you an Angry Bird? I mean, Minions fan again? Because in one of your teasers you said that, but I don't really know how. Oh my God, this fat fiend guy! I need to kill him. How did I not kill Puffy? No, I'll just use Mighty Eagle. Whatever's real close by. Oh, he didn't change him. Whatever, it's fine. Yeah, if you hear any like weird muffled sounds, it's just me moving my tablet, I guess. They killed him, but he's still going in the portal. Or is there still two towers over there? Mercy Forest, Grand Old Swine, Moon Thieves, King's Throne, and Golden whatever that is. What the fuck? Get out! Get out! Yeah! Alright. That was the game. Alright. Well, if you stuck to the end of the video, you get to see inside on a Silly Bird 3. So let me just get to that. Okay, alright. Just mind you, this isn't gonna be the actual game. This is just level testing, and I only have 2 levels, but yeah. These levels I actually coded myself. I know how to code now. Only in Angry Birds Scratch. I don't know how to do other stuff. Good play! Okay, alright. 13 I It's supposed to be Garfield, but I didn't click right yet. And then this level. Level kind of difficult since you only get one upside down. Which, by the way, if you don't have any name suggestions, let me know and I'll consider it. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Unless I find something. Let me see if I have something. Okay, I have this, but I'm not releasing it. It's just a test to see how bird code works. And yeah, here's the credits right here. Yeah. I think it's on level 2. Okay, that's Tony. Scribbles Law made those, the ability sprite and sprite for Tony. They also made this, silver, which is pretty much just Tony, but they do a little loop. And then, this silver, Stella I drew myself, but I took inspiration from, some dude's design. I forgot his name. Yeah. By the way, Silly Birds is gonna have 5 parts, but I've only decided on the final designs for part 3. So if you have any suggestions on what to change Bubbles and Stella's with, let me know, I guess. Alright. If I have any more stuff in my files, I have this unfinished twiddle finger add yourself thing. Yeah, here's a credit over here. Yeah. It takes a little bit to load. I'll show you when it loads. Alright, it didn't take that long. Hold up. That is of the big sprites. The next phase is unfinished, by the way. Yeah, it's still that. But I only have like one more thing to change about. I'll check in here and then we'll change the rest about 10. Other than that, it's at least 50% finished. Hold up. I need to see if there's any more projects I need to show. Alright, I guess I'll just show you guys this. I am planning to add all 5, but I don't I don't know how to code in the blues or how to make them files, so I'm just probably gonna steal some code from Scribbles Law, I guess. But yeah, that's all I got. See you guys in the next video.